M0FXB. So today we're going to learn A and B. So it's dit da for A and da dit 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 for B. Now I find the best way is to close your eyes, not look at the images, and just hear the sound. So close your eyes and just hear this sound. Da da. That's A. Da. You've got to try and do that over and over again, and until you know that A is da. Okay? I practiced that for about half an hour in your mind, and then forget about it. Quick look at the next letter, which is B, which is da dit dit dit. Da dit dit dit. Now close your eyes. Da dit dit dit. Da dit dit dit. Da dit dit dit. Now hear that sound in your mind. Keep saying it over and over again. Da dit dit dit. Da dit dit dit. That's B. So if we were going to say bab, ab, which is a weird word, but if we were, you would hear da da dit dit dit. Da da dit dit dit. So always close your eyes and listen to the sound. Don't look at the letters, because that isn't the best way to learn. So 7-3 for learning Morse code A and B. All the best.